Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to So Crypto, your home for Crypto TA. I am your host, A3D Wolf, and today we're going to be looking at Bitcoin struggling now. If you're catching this from live, welcome, and if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and the bell, that way you will be notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with me whenever the stream is on, join me on the Discord. Links we're having out. They're going to be pinned here on top of the chat. I posted the wrong link. Yeah, that's the YouTube video link. Thanks, Sander. I thought I had copied this one. That's a link to this video. If you're watching this video and you click on that link, you're going to be taken back to the same place. So, there we go. Removing that one. There we are. All right. Let's roll, man. Let's see what is happening with the crypto market. We're still in the gutter, right? Below 1.03 trillion. We knew it was pain below there. Ever since we rejected, which has been dropping since. The only good thing that's coming out of this is downsloping consolidation, right? That downsloping consolidation, not looking super bad. We're still looking for this bullish divergence, strong ride. We had it here 2 days ago. We had it today. All right, so yesterday and then today, and then, we're still waiting for this to trigger and help us rally. So, there's still bullish divergence that we're looking for. We just have not taken off. So, that's it in the macro for crypto. Let's go more specific. Let's check out Bitcoin and see what's happening there, because there's really just not a lot, man. Like I said, the market doesn't feel super strong. $19,006. Just waiting for this to load. Loading. Oh, bros, you remember what I said? We want to drop lower, right? We want to drop lower, get that bullish divergence to come in, help us. We didn't. We haven't dropped lower. We're still higher than the previous low. Thus, we were not triggering anything bullish yet. We should take advantage of this. Just drop a little bit more. And then we're going to have that bullish divergence. We rejected that 19,666. Yesterday, we were rejecting close to it today and still moving down. Neutral, sold at 39.62. About to get back out to that neutral zone. There's just nothing else, man. After we rejected that 20, so we're looking for that bullish divergence here. Look at that. Had it on the 18th. We still had it after the stream ended on the next candle, and then we got to move up, right? Which we said we could to potentially mid to 20. Remember, we said mid to 20 or 19,666. We met both, but we rejected with the body 19,666. Sorry, the 20 moving average, and 19,666. We rejected it with the wick. Right, because we wicked it and then we rejected, and that is a candle here. So we're still going on for the same move. If you remember, I said the balance is going to depend on how we consolidate, right, on the daily, and we're not consolidated up sloping yet. Still a sort of down sloping consolidation that could bring a seller's exhaustion, and then we can see some potential rally coming through, right? That's what I'm looking at right now. There's really nothing bearish that came in here to make us drop farther. Just rejection of resistances. That is normal. Bullish divergence strong again, failing. So right now, we failed to drop lower than this previous low here. The bullish divergence can trigger again and try to get us above that 20 moving average, right? Potentially even 19,666. If we don't, if we reject that 20 moving average again, I'm worried that we might be looking for that 70,000 target drop, right? So 1 hour chart. All right, last thing we had was the bearish divergence here, strong, and that was on the 17th. Since then, we didn't create anything bullish here. We were hoping we're going to run on whatever we had on the 4 hour. We took a rally, created some hidden bearish divergence, right? This one is extremely obvious. How do we know? Well, we are coming lower on an attempted rally, right? And we're going from negative momentum to from positive momentum to much more positive momentum. We don't have it against the RSI, it's just against the MACD. But you could obviously tell that we attempted a rally, hit that resistance area with the hidden divergence, created resistance trigger at a key area. The divergence trigger at a key area of resistance, and now we're getting our movement down. So we moved down, hit that 20, beautiful hit here, the 20. Try to bounce from it until we finally failed, and ultimately we kind of backtested it. And now we're still rejecting, about to backtest that, or retest, I should say, that 20 moving average. We're going to see where we go from there. Now we're going from a low point to a higher low, negative momentum to less negative momentum, and a low on the RSI to a higher point on the RSI. So nothing here, man. Neutral at 47.75. It's not really doing hot here on crypto, man. All right, like negative momentum, more negative momentum, right? Less negative momentum. Low, lower, low, higher, low. Low on the other side. Are we doing? Maybe on there. Maybe here, dude. Maybe on the other side is there a glimmer of hope. There is bullish divergence strong. Yay. Only for a little bit, though. We're failing. We're failing to see it play with strength. Man, I'm afraid. I'm worried that we reject that 20, man. It was not going to be pretty. All right, neutral. On the other side, 47.75. Man, I really wish this was doing a lot better, man. I really, really wish this was doing a lot better, but we shall see, right? Right on. So let's see Ethereum, right? And see what's happening there. Ethereum at 1,343. By the way, I'm gonna make a quick announcement. Sorry about not being here yesterday, right? There was an earthquake in Mexico City. It was not bad, like no damage, at least the building that I live in. So no damage. And the only bad thing is that the internet was a little bit weird. Like I didn't have problems, just speed wasn't there, and it just kept on, you know, dropping every now and then. So I'm not sure, maybe it was super saturated or something, but yeah, it was just really weird. Like my phone didn't have signal for the longest time, because you know the lines get jammed. Everyone's calling everyone, making sure everyone's fine, and then even throughout the night it just persisted. So that's why there was no stream yesterday, and I'm gonna be out of town on Friday. On Thursday, and I come back on Friday night, but I'm not gonna make it to the stream. So Thursday and Friday no stream until Saturday, right? So after tomorrow's stream, there's not gonna be a stream until Saturday. So just keep that in mind. I'm gonna go to town. I'm gonna be taking the laptop, but I doubt I'm gonna have time. I'm just going on a quick 2-day trip to Guatemala. I'm gonna meet some friends and check out some business opportunities. And I'm gonna be in meetings the whole day. So I know I'm not gonna have time to stream because I'm also gonna end up very late. So it's just one night. Gonna hang out, you know, go for dinner and things like that, and you know, keep on discussing business. We gotta maximize that quick trip to Guatemala. So since I'm just going for a very small amount of time, again, no stream on those dates, even though I'm taking the laptop with me just in case, you know, I do have a chance or something to make a quick video or anything like that, but I'm not 100% sure, right? Anyways, bullishness. Could be getting that action to the upside to 1,387, right? That is our target right now. Must get above there. Bitcoin drops, we're gonna drop with it, but we do have that bullish divergence there. Sold at 37.40. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, bullish divergence, strong potential for action to the upside, right? Starting to get that movement up again to resistance at 1,387. Rejection there, rejecting at 20, right? And now if we fail to get higher, right? And reject that 20 again, I worried that we might be looking for a drop to 1,292. Right? That is our move. Not really seeing a lot else happening. There was some hidden divergence that came in. Man, that wolf yawn was crazy. And the move goes from here to here, right? Again, hidden divergence, potential for action to the downside, right? So let's go to the 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour chart, we had the bullish divergence, right? We were looking for it. Finally triggered after we kept on finding support there at 1,292, right? And then on the movement up, we didn't create anything bearish here on the short move, which again, it just comes to tell us that, you know, Bitcoin's probably keep on pressuring us. The only thing we had was hidden divergence, just like Bitcoin. But again, most of the moves right now are being dictated by Bitcoin. So that's where I would be betting that a lot of the moves are generating, right? What Bitcoin does, the market follows. So even though we saw coins having bullish divergence before, and we said maybe, it's a big maybe though, right? Since Bitcoin, you know, it's not 100, it's not dominating 100% of the market, or is not dominating over 50% of the market, there might be a chance that alts take the lead if alts get together, because then they're more than Bitcoin combined. So, but you know, no, that didn't happen. Anyways, bearish divergence hidden, moving down. Nothing else happening since low, high, low, negative momentum, last negative, more negative, low, high, low, right? Neutral at 48.28. That is it for this, man. Right now, maybe, you know, like I said, try to get above the 20, get above 1,000, 387, we fail again, looking for 1,292. Those are the ranges that we could be trading. We're trying to break, right? Breaking to the downside again, 1,261, but breaking to the upside, 1,465. All right, now let's check out, I guess, ADA. By the way, I'm not sure if I said hi to everyone when I came in. Calcarp Doc, what's up? BL, what's up? Andrew, what's up? That's it. I think that's the people that have chatted so far. So if you're watching the content, again, hit the like, the bell, and the sub, right? Join us on the Discord. Hi, Lou. All right, I was checking out here. Andrew, you posted something on Wyckoff accumulation, right? Maybe. Bullish. Nothing bearish again. And also nothing bullish, neutral at 46.26. So not a lot developing here, right? DXY guy, you sub. Thank you very much for that, man. Much appreciated. Bearish divergence, right? On the 1 hour. This from the 1 hour. How do I know? It makes no sense where it's anchored here on the 4 hour chart. So yeah, that's just data I came in. And those bearish divergence, right? We can tell because we're anchoring to something higher. So that's dragging us down, right? That's what we got, that drop. And got this quick play and now pumping, right? So I'll do it lower, less negative momentum. All right. So this works for us. All right. So why am I anchoring from the same level? Because here I was anchoring within the same island, right? That's why I get that rally. But here I'm anchoring from one island to the next, the way we usually want to anchor this, right? This one plays, it's like a divergence within the same island. So you're looking for that trend to break and try to rally a little bit, but this one usually tends to break a lot stronger. Right now we're above that 20 moving average, unlike Bitcoin and Ethereum that I think are failing to get above that 20. So neutral at 50.77, and that's about it here, right? Let's go to the 1 hour. We're looking for that bullish divergence here. Like I said, we have it, and here was the bearish divergence that we sent over from the 4 hour chart. Now we are coming up higher here. I am worried there's a small break here. That small break that we have here does not allow me to go from one island to the next, because the next island, it's here, right? So it just makes it a small point there, blip, that the question is, are we going to acknowledge it? I think we should. So I'm not going to say there's anything bearish here for now. Just bought at 63.17, right? Andrew with his lines and saying, yo, man, Cardano. Wyckoff accumulation playing off. Or Wyckoff, or yeah. So interesting to see, right? I don't see anything else happening here on Cardano. Yeah. Sorry, guys. Quick message. Right, so Andrew says tap tools recently got an upgrade. Would you mind checking it out if you... Yeah, wow. I mean, why not? There's no other request coming through, so we might as well. Ooh, looks better. I guess LQ, that's the one you usually dig, right? LQ to ADA. All right. Let's get it on double T. Or the double T exchange, that's what we're gonna call it. Otherwise, it's gonna sound like something else. What is this? We continue aside. Dismiss. Alright. So let's check this. Let's check at this. Right, so LQ, definitely taking some kind of rally here. Don't look that bad. Let's go on the daily. LQ to ADA, man. I really wish this wasn't dollars. One LQ equals $29. Is that it? Is that what it says here? Yeah, one LQ, $29. All right. Not looking that bad. Finally getting a bounce. Remember, Andrew, I told you we were like due for a movement up a while. We were like lagging forever. Yo, thank you very much for that, Andrew. Much appreciated, my friend.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
It really comes in handy, man. Really appreciate it. So, yeah, again, yeah, you know, it's just we talked about this, you know, how we're just coming lower and failing to trigger on the bullish divergence, waiting for that movement. Being completely oversold, it finally triggered a couple days ago, and I was trying to hold. It's okay. I think we're past due where we should be looking for the flag. So I think we might be missing our opportunity to pump again. So, right, so we moved up sideways. So, all right, let's see. This pump here, it's probably 11% out sideways motion. I'm trying to see here, man. I mean, there is bearish divergence strong, just so you're aware of it, right? So from here to here, right, and then from here to here. There is a divergence here. It is just a medium bearish, right? So we have strong bearish on this move here. And I know these colors might not be the best. Try if I can change to yellow so it's easier to see. And then from here to here, right? And we're coming up higher, right? So from high to a higher high. Or we're coming in lower here on the MACD and the RSI, right? On both cases. Just here, we don't have a strong green color for us to anchor. But, you know, it's about the same, it works the same. So bearish divergence strong, moving down a bit, try to recover, and now we're failing at the same level, right? So this is bringing medium bearish divergence, so strong bearish, medium bearish, and again, that should tell us the market is looking for a movement down here on LQ, right? So let's go to that 4-hour chart. It's not gonna matter because as soon as I leave, it's just gonna get deleted. So thoughts on rate hike tomorrow, pump or dump, man? You know. I think it's just yeah, it's just an interesting question. It's speculative question. Andrew, man, thank you very much for that kind and awesome donation, my friend. Really appreciate it. Let me finish this, and you know, we'll definitely check out that question. It's just based on fundamentals, right? It doesn't have anything to do with technicals. So I'm not really sure, man. You know, usually after the Fed announcements, or prior to Fed announcements, we get some kind of rally, and then, you know, we get a drop right after, so, or the day after. Not really sure, man. Did the Fed hike rates the last 2 times? If the Fed hiked the rates, then yeah, and then the market dropped, so we could be expecting something similar, right? I guess that'll be the way I'll be looking at it. I'm not really sure, man. Yeah, it's highly speculative. And it's not based off technical analysis. So maybe we drop. I'm not sure. And I'll tell you what, just the market is weak. So if the dollar strengthens, that's it, right? I mean, the Bitcoin and the rest of the markets are going to drop. Again, bullish divergence, right? Hidden bullish, trying to pop. If we had a 20 moving average here, we'd definitely be breaking it. So let's bring in the Bollinger Bands. All right, look at that. See, we're above that 20 on the Bollingers. All right, so good. Just have support and now try to bounce. So just let's zoom in here, man. I'm actually gonna have to look at the number. 0676, 069. So slightly slightly low, I guess, here, right? So 67, 69, slightly higher, more positive and higher still. So nothing here that is bearish so far for LQ, right? So again, getting some of that contradicting data. The daily just says move down. The 4 hour says there's no reason to panic. Here, we don't have any divergence that is bullish, right? We're moving sideways here in the price, then dropping more and also going lower. So nothing bullish here, but here we also have nothing bearish, right? Higher high, more positive, and then higher on that RSI. Sold at 66.23. So yeah, perceived to be a little bit higher value than what it should be. But you know, it's okay. I'll be probably playing this off the daily. I think it's the cleanest read for this asset so far. So just go from, you know, the bearish divergence on the daily that is trying to play out. As soon as this goes higher, right? As soon as this goes higher, might not play out down right now. It's going to play out probably soonish. This starts to go higher here somewhere, right? I think what we're going to see is, you know, us creating some divergence here, right? And yeah, anchoring here for probably to a positive momentum island. And then have that strong bearish divergence anchored, and then we can start talking about the movement down. But there is bearish divergence right now. That's how I'm looking at it. Yo, War, what's up, dude? Thank you very much for stopping by. But yeah, I think that's it so far for this one, Andrew. WMT, is that one here as well? Wet metric tons to ADA, I guess. So we're gonna look at the first contract, right? Let's go here on the daily, man. All three are here, all right. AGAX, I thought AGAX wasn't another exchange. You know, but we can look at it here. That's fine. All right, let's zoom in. All right, so there's some bearish divergence here still, right? Look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, there we go. So bearish divergence, strong potential for moving down, just like you know, LQ. So I guess this is working exactly like LQ. Nothing bullish coming in. I'm also not seeing anything here that is, you know, screaming, yeah, let's burst through anything. I haven't looked at XRP yet, my friend. Check it in a second. We shall check it in a second. Just we're looking at this coin. So Andrew came in and awesomely donated some dough to the channel, and we're looking at the coins now. All right, so bearish divergence, strong potential friction downside. We have moved down, hit that 20. We're trying to hold it, but if we do break the 20, man, we don't have anything bullish to come and hold us for now. Hidden bullish divergence was from here to here. You know, that was good, but here, it's going to take a lot of strength to move this down. I don't think we're going to make it. By that time, we're probably going to be dropping lower than this previous low. So if this bearish divergence strong takes hold, this could really be in for a bigger drop, right? Really nothing else happening here, man. Yeah, everything else is just going to market, I feel. Yeah, that's it. There's that strong bearish against the MACD. You know, unfortunately, there's really nothing else that is bullish. So we're trying to hold the 20. If we hold the 20, again, could be trying to go for a bounce, maybe create more strong bearish divergence, but yeah, that's about it. There's really not a lot happening here for this one. And here we're getting similar to, you know, what we saw with LQ, where yeah, it's just a 1 hour chart looks like trash. It's just not good for charting. But there is bullish divergence strong. And I'm saying that because just the volume here is just non-existent, right? Like you can see here that there's like no volume, it's just a zero, so it was not traded. You want to have volume, you want to have liquidity when you trade assets, otherwise you can be locked in a position. You're not able to get out, right? You should want to trade things that have volume. That's That's usually key. Let's go AGIX. I definitely like what they did with their interface, Andrew. It's much better. It's smoother also. It just looks cooler. Yo on Twitch saying, I want to have a profit. Yeah. Learn to trade. It's the best way. I would not be, like a lot of friends have come to me and asked me if it's a good time to get into crypto. And my answer to them is probably going to be the same answer I'm giving everyone. The market's not there right now. The market's not really good right now. We're in a downtrending market. You don't want to get in at this levels. You might just want to wait until we decide if this is the bottom and we start to look for some action to the upside before you get into you know, crypto. Right now, if you want to make money, you have to either short it or long it, but that means you have to be really close watching what the market is doing so you can make the right calls. And that's just going to take a lot more time than what you're probably going to be earning. Probably more likely to get wrecked on this market than you are to get, you know, profit. The only way to get some money in right now is by shorting, I guess, most of the time, because the market is just downtrending. All right, so again, some bullish divergence. We're gonna see if we get a pop here, potentially the 20 moving average. We could still drop a little bit more and still carry on with this divergence that is bullish, right? So that's the 4-hour chart AGIX. Let's go to the daily, I guess. Higher and more positive here, man. Jeez, let's zoom in. Yeah, slightly lower, right? So you can tell that from the spike here, right, to the spike here, we're dropping a bit, right? So here, again, bearish divergence strong, potential fraction downside, starting to get that movement down, targeting the 20 moving average at 0.10, right? That's at 0.11. I also asked for the default anchor to only the current time frame. You might start to prefer charting here soon. Yeah, we shall see, man. Again, you know, exchanges usually have quicker data than you get on TradingView. That's why you should just use the exchange tools that you have there. Just some exchanges have really poor charting tools, but if you can use the exchanges tools, then I think you're good, because you know the data here is fresh. People are actually moving the market here, and then from here it has to be relayed over to TradingView. So if you're using TradingView to plan something long term, that's fine. But if you're just trading on the spot and on the moment, just use the actual exchange. That's, you know, where you're probably gonna be best. Again, dropping in lower, more negative momentum. Sorry, lower on the other side, probably more negative momentum as well. Yeah, more negative momentum. So nothing here that is bullish, unfortunately. And dude, you know, there was strong bearish divergence here. Again, the move goes from here to here and from here to here. So strong bearish divergence, potential fraction of downside. We're taking that movement down, right? All right. Yeah, War says, hey Martin, I like what you did with the Bollinger pans. All right. Yeah, we cook with them Bollinger pans, man. The Bollinger pans. I'm kidding, man. I've been doing that for a long time. Love how it looks. What do you mean, the Bollinger pans here? I'm not sure what you mean. What I did. This yeah. This one's here. I have no clue. Please tell me what you need. I'm kidding. All right, let's go. Someone said, do look at something else. Can we look at algo? Yes, we can look at algo. Algo ran. Here we go. Found you. I found you. I'll go look at that Bitcoin going for about 20. Ooh-wee. It's Bitcoin futures, by the way. CryptoPamps. What up, my friend? Why am I not getting this to switch to algo? No, that's AG. Yeah, here we go. AGLD. No, where's algo? Algo. Is it this one? Yeah, here we go. Algorand. Right. Let's go on the daily. How can I add that coin header to the bottom of my screen? Bottom of my stream. That is a good question. I got it from a website. I can't remember the name, to be honest. And basically, you copy the HTML code and you paste it, and then it just works there. But I can't remember which website I got it from. That was like back when I started the channel 3 years ago. So, bro, I just carried over. It just works by itself. I can't remember the actual website, but if you look for crypto ticker, whatever, you might be able to find it. I think that's how I search for it. Yeah, longest time ago. Yeah, you're welcome, man. You're welcome. All right, so Algorand, bearish divergence, strong potential for action to downside. I know, man. Are we gonna move down? Could be going for that 20 moving average at 30 cents, man. Right now, again, we held support here briefly. Struggle with it a bit here at 29.05, but right now, if we do move down, the 20 moving average at 30.89, and then below there, that 29.05. Right, those are our targets, and then moving down. Right now, we do have that strong bearish divergence starting to come in and put pressure on this price. Neutral at 54.90. 4-hour chart. Oh, look at the stuff from the daily. Oh, Cheerio, man. Stuff from the daily came over. Jake, to update the coin list on the ticker. I have no clue, man. Yeah, that one came from a website. I don't think I can update that one. That's just what they have, and that's how it works. I don't even know if... Like, to be honest, I haven't even checked to see if the prices here are accurate right now. They should be. Most of the market's in the red. Here, I can see a lot of things in the red, so... Yeah, sure, I do, no worries. Alright. Let's go in here, and... Oh, man, there's really not a lot happening here. All around. Higher, more positive, higher still. There's really nothing bearish here, right? There was some kind of bullish divergence strong that developed here on this itty bitty part, right? We're dropping it slightly lower, man, ever so slightly lower, right? And we're getting this move here. So again, bullish divergence, strong. Got the pop. That's fine. Not really super bullish about this. There's strong bearish divergence here. There we go. Strong bearish divergence, potential for action to downside. Oh no, we're gonna drop. We are dropping. We drop below 20. I know. We're backtesting. We drop after backtesting it. Yeah, we're doing some kind of bullish divergence for now. That could try to get us to hold still. That's a move, right? It's a strong bullish. Potential for action to the upside, right? And small pop to come here. Hopefully. Everything is a MACD and the RSI. John Johnson, what up, my friend? Thank you very much for being here. I'm not sure, man. I'm not sure how many people use a ticker on the bottom. Probably a lot of people. Just like news channels, they all have news tickers at the bottom. Or when you look at Bloomberg, they have a news ticker on the bottom. So, yeah, tickers on the bottoms is what tells you, what you're looking at. The prices, the action. I tried to find one for news headers. I couldn't find one. But that one would have been nice to have as well. Like news headers just scrolling here. Probably slightly faster or slower. I'm not sure. But you look at any financial network channel and you'll see tickers. So yeah, it's like whatever. John Johnson might not know me as a wolf yet. Maybe. I didn't used to be a wolf before. I used to be a human being. Yeah. Crypto turned me into a wolf. The wolf of Crypto Street. Yeah. Anyways. This is still so crypto, so same channel. Just different looks for now. Oh, let's do, what else do we have here? ERG, right? There we go. Alrighty, what were we looking for aggro, man? Some kind of bullish divergence that we were looking for? Yeah, but we said, yeah, it just dropped a little bit more. Have we not looked at this today or something? No, probably a couple days ago. We just kept on dropping, so that divergence is definitely gone, right? So we're playing with the idea of that hidden bullish potentially getting us to hold. It didn't hold. It's just dropping more. Oh no, the pain after we had the bearish divergence strong. Oh, look at that. It's dropping and dropping and dropping forever and ever and ever. There is bullish divergence developing right now. That's the only good thing, right? That we could go on. Like, oh, look, there's a glimmer of hope. There's a bullish divergence. It's going to try to get us to pop. Try to get us to what we pop, man. All right. And from oversold to oversold, right? This is where we want to usually find our divergence. Well, we're being oversold or overbought, right? In this zone, strong bullish divergence definitely tell us that the market trend is weakening. Not only is it weakening, we're oversold. The market wants this price to be fair again. It wants to bring it back up to a neutral zone. And with that comes with a rally, right? So again, with bullish divergence, worried about the 20. Worried about the 20 moving average at 3.31. Hopefully we can get above it. If we hit it and reject, bro, it might not be pretty, right? Maybe create some medium bullish divergence afterwards, but we shall see. Keep on tracking, right? XRP, yeah, man. It's just, I think we had this request before XRP. I'm not sure why. I'll do XRP after this one. Thank you for reminding me. And here we're dropping even farther down, right? Strong bullish, also from back here, we don't have it. Oversold at 22.23. Again, strong bullish divergence, potential for moving up. There's really not a lot else happening here as far as, cool, trendy, patterns to look at. It's just kind of boring because there's no other patterns. But here, we could say we kind of double topped with bearish divergence strong. That's where we're moving down. That's fine here. If you want to look at this as double top, man. What else, man? There's really not a lot. All right, XRP. XRP taking a nice moving up to the 40-cent mark. Man, why is this rallying? We had bullish divergence. We had a hidden divergence here. We created some strong bullish. All right, I can see it now. I can spot it. Here we go. CBA, what's up, my friend? How's it going, man? Very, very small here. We could just say it's moving sideways, but from here to here, it's strong bullish, and then from here to here, it's just medium bullish. Here again, medium bullish divergence against the MACD. With that, a potential for action to the upside, and we are moving up, man. We are moving up here on this daily. Not bad. Not a bad move. So there was divergence for the move, which is good. It is good, lad. Is Bitcoin baddish? Maybe it's baddish. Maybe it's not baddish. We're gonna look into it in a second, man. I gotta go back to it. I think we were looking for something bullish, actually, Andrew. But gonna go back and check in a second. Nothing else happening here, right? No, so nothing bearish here on XRP. That's good. Pumping with the bullish divergence, nice. Bearish divergence developing here in the 4-hour. Look, immediately easy to see. But I like the way it's moving though, right? I gotta say that. It looks pretty smooth. And I'll talk about that in a second when I say why I mean by smooth. This is happening on a sort of microplane. Maybe the 1 hour is going to give us a better view, but we had our pump, downsloping consolidation, got our pump, downsloping consolidation. That could lead us to a third rally, right? So that's what I would be looking for here in XRP, a third rally to potentially come in. Don't look that bad. The only way this doesn't play is if Bitcoin really just tanks. Right, Bitcoin tanking could lead this to where it don't play off. But yeah, I like this motion that it's having. Even though we have that strong bearish divergence, I like the way it's moving. You know, but that bearish divergence could be a killer and just make us drop. But for now, it looks okay. Next candle should determine, you know, how good this move is going to be. If we keep on flagging, it's going to be nice. If we just take a massive drop to a 20 moving average, and that's it, right? We're going to try to target something else. But for now, this is what we have. It don't look that bad for now. So bought at 60.34. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Get them out 3 times long. All right. There's bearish divergence here as well. I mean, like I said, doesn't look that bad. And here we do have that 20 to try to hold support. So it's not going to be, you know, horrible. Breaking that 20 could be bad, right? And again, just keep on looking at Bitcoin and see what Bitcoin does. But bearish divergence, strong action on downside, dropping. On the drop, if we drop farther down, right, particularly to this here level, you're going to be anchoring some divergence here, right? Some bullish, hidden divergence, hidden bullish, and that could lead us to, you know, farther moving up. So we could still have it at a 20 moving average. That's why I say it's okay. It's not sitting that bad, and bouncing at that 20 would be extremely beneficial. That would lead it to where it's getting its next rally. Although that next rally might not be as strong as this movement's up, right? Be less than, you know, whatever, 9% and 9%. So it could be maybe 5%, 4%. It just depends. I think the next one's going to be weaker, and then we're still going to have some strong bearish divergence, and then we can look for, you know, some kind of fallout they happen after that one. So let's go back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin 19,010. What? In the year 19,010, the price of Bitcoin was 19,000. I'm kidding. Probably going to be a lot higher by then. Probably there's not going to be Bitcoin by then. It's going to be other currencies and other things. People are going to be like, oh, you remember like the ancient Roman times when people had Bitcoin? Yeah. People back then were degenerates. They just bought images of, you know, dogs and apes. Oh, now we buy, you know, some weird stuff from the future. Whatever. Anyways, bearish divergence, action downside, moving down. Again, here I'm looking for sellers exhaustion, right? We're looking for the sellers to potentially get tired, and then we see the bulls take over a little bit and maybe back test. I don't think the 21,000, but the 19,600 for sure. That's the first one we get a back test, right? So we again rejected here the 9,666. Here we're rejecting the zone. Now moving farther down. So, you know, neutral. Sold at 39.64. I think the 4 hour had something bullish. What are happening, John Johnson? He just came in and then he didn't say anything else. Bullish divergence, strong action to the upside, right? We're looking for that move. So we got it to the 20 and rejected. And like I said, here, it's a do or die move for Bitcoin. We do want to get above that 20. And ultimately try to back test at 9,666. If we drop below, right, this here zone, it's not going to be bad either, right? Then we're going to be targeting some bullish divergence stronger like this. And here on the other side as well, like that. So, yeah, getting a small drop is not going to be bad. Yeah, but the last thing we have is bullish ender. And then the 1 hour chart, we had some bullishness here. But again, failing. Finally managed to hit the 20 on the last candle. We weren't hitting it yet when we did the analysis. We managed to hit it, and it looks as though we were trying to reject it. And that's not good. We want to get above that 20. Otherwise, we're still looking for movement down to come in and, you know, basically wreck us for a little bit. Yeah, I think that's it, guys. Thank you very much for joining me tonight. That's gonna be a stream. That's gonna be the stream for tonight. If you enjoyed the content, hit the like button on the sub. Join us on the Discord. Links have gone out. Remember that all the information that is provided here is being provided by a 3D animated wolf. The 3D animated wolf is not a financial advisor, so don't take advice from a 3D wolf. With that said, entertainment and educational purpose only. Country based on what you see here. I'll be here again tomorrow for another edition of So Crypto. Just remember, no stream on Thursday, no stream on Friday. I am gonna be in Guatemala. I'm gonna be out of the country, and I come back Friday very late. It's just a one day. Well, it's actually a 2-day trip, but it's a personal business trip that I'm taking, and just to see a couple of the concepts that are there, and follow up on what we were looking at last time. And yeah, I'll be back on Saturday. So stream tomorrow and then no stream for 2 days. I'm taking my laptop, like I said. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to stream or not. I know it's gonna be busy, so we shall see how things go. Enjoy Guatemala GT. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. I want to enjoy there. Yeah, it's just, I mean, I fly in, I go to my friend's restaurant, look at some processes that they have there, try some of the menu items that they're gonna be having, and discuss business with him all afternoon. And then go try the breakfast menu the next day, and then I guess go for lunch, and then we go for dinner that day as well. And then the next day we go for breakfast menu, then we go for lunch, I guess, and then I fly back. It's just I fly back in the afternoon, so it's just not. I'm not gonna have time to sightsee or anything like that. It's not like a vacation or a pleasure trip. It's just strictly business, going and flying out the next day. No. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for tonight. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of So Crypto. Until then.